If you are finding a unique way to earn money online, stay home without any investment. New viewers of my YouTube channels is also be ready to earn money online with the mobile phone without any PC without any laptop. Stay home without any investments, simple watching video and earn money online. If you want to make money online, just watching video, watching and also be earn money online. If you are interested and want to earn money online, just watching a video, play video, complete process will be discussing in this video. If you want to understand it and want to earn money online for learning, let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your device and also be remember that follow this video with me step by step and watch to complete video. Open Google Chrome and search here come to money, and now click on the first website and this type dashboard open on your screen. Now click on the search button and type here Givy Givy. After searching this type interface show on your screen dash earning app Givy video 2024. So must be click on read more. After clicking on read more, scroll down and also be click here to download it, and this type app interface show on your screen. So must be click install option to install this app on your device. After installing, open it on your device and this type interface show on your screen. Must be click continue with Google. For creating a fresh account, click on continue and also be enabled a terms and condition. And so we have created account successfully, and also be click on tab to earn more coins. After clicking on it, you can see that there are many coins are available just doing a simple mobile task and earn a lot of coins. And now going to the watching videos and also be earn money online. So click on first option and you can see that there are many videos are available, just dramas, movies, funny videos and out there to see all topics are available. If you want to search some special topics just as any film, any movies or any cartoon or any drama, click on the search option to search this on your device. And now start watching videos and also be earning coins. You can see that videos playing and now coins is also be increasing. And now second earning method on this app is that play audio music and also be earn money. Must be click on the play option and music option at third number, and also you can see that there are many audio music, audio songs are available. So must be click it and listening audio music and earning coins on your accounts. So our third earning method on this app is that by referral earning. So must be join your friends on this app and also be earning a lot of coins. So copy your referral link and also be share it to your friends, family and authorities. You must be share on Facebook, WhatsApp and Messenger, and also be share it to the different groups. At the end, at the last, when you have earn a coins, earn a money, at the end how to withdraw from this app to your account. Click on profile option and go scroll down and also we click on withdraw option under the content as option. Thanks for watching this video. If you come the first time on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to learn tech freelancing online earning video first of all.